Okay, first take all the torques out of the front bumper. Then pull this piece up and put something soft between, so you won't damage it. Do the same here. Then take a flat screwdriver, put it under the bumper like so, and then feel with your finger if the flat screwdriver is between the bumper and this plastic clip. Once it's between, just push it like so. So you push this down, and at the same time pull with your hand until it clicks out, and then do the same for this one, this one, this one. Then for the bottom one, it's a bit tricky, but put your finger under it and pull it up, and at the same time pull with your other hand like so, really hard until it clicks out. And once your hand is between, just pull the clips up, and then with your other hand pull the kidney out in that direction, but my other hand is occupied holding the phone, so I'm just going to pull it out. Voila, nothing broke. Okay, that one is out. Now the other one. I think you can do it with your finger. Just push it down. That's one. And two. Okay guys, don't forget to put the bumper back and put the torques in. Now remember, this is plastic, this is metal. Don't overdo it. Then the most easy and fun part, put the new grills in. First put the bottom pins in position, and then the top ones will click in. So first the bottom ones in position. Okay. And then the top ones will click in. Also watch if it's in the gap, so you won't break it. Okay. Now that looks a lot meaner.